Speech on the old tongue, and saw the you know, he gave him in this.
Gentlemen, just round to the left again. Hey guys, am I
Oh, it's exciting. I mean, you
Sum up for us from sort of action movies to Shakespeare. I know you're obviously going back to Shakespeare to do it later on this year.
Yeah.
Joss has made this movie, so you sum up the differences, the similarities, and how good you think it is. Is it? Have a hug.
Sorry, did I just step on your foot?
No, it's all right. How are you? It's really good. Yeah, thanks for coming. I can't wait.
So let me know what you think.
The last time I saw Alexis Denisov, he had an alien mask on his face, and he was playing the other in the Avengers. Yeah, I've worked with this man. I've worked with two actors in Much Ado About Nothing, Clark Gregg and Alexis Denisov. And my character didn't have good relationships with either of them. Let's put it that way. Yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah.
How good is it that Joss is making a modern take on Shakespeare? It's being put out in the cinemas.
Well, I take my hat off to Joss. I remember at the wrap party for Avengers, I said, you know, we were staring down. We'd just been shooting for 19 weeks in the summer of 2011. I said, Joss, what are you going to do with your 2-week Directors Guild enforced holiday before you edit this? And he said, I'm going to do Much Ado About Nothing in my house. And I said, you're insane. But I've never seen him happier, and I know it's been something he's long dreamed of. And as a writer and as a dramatist, he shares a lot of Shakespeare's kind of mercurial ability to put tragedy next to comedy and be very, very funny and write amazing one-liners. And it seems to me that like Joss Whedon is the right man for the job, and I've heard amazing things about this adaptation. I just can't wait to see it. So yeah.
I think very quickly it's great that it's going up against Superman. You know, the big movie going out up against his little.
Yeah. I guess so. Yeah. I mean, I'm looking forward to seeing Man of Steel as well. So I just think if you're an artist in the business of making movies, you should be allowed to make whatever you want. And I love the fact that Joss has gone from the biggest film imaginable to, you know, something small and refined. Yeah, sophisticated. It's great.
Good to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
Thanks.